Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a VPN extension to the Google Chrome browser step by step. A VPN extension can help protect your browsing privacy and allow you to connect through servers in different locations. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, hover over Extensions and then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, click on the search bar located on the left side. Now, type the name of the VPN extension you want to install, such as Proton VPN, Browsic VPN, Windscribe, or another trusted VPN extension. Press Enter and wait for the search results to appear. Once you find the VPN extension you want, click on it to open its information page. Now, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to install the extension. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will download and install the VPN extension automatically. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the VPN extension icon appear near the top right corner of the browser. If you don't see the icon, click the Extensions icon, then pin the VPN extension to keep it visible on the toolbar. Now, click on the VPN extension icon. Sign in or create an account if required by the VPN service. After logging in, choose your preferred server or country, then click the Connect button. Wait a few moments until the extension shows that you're connected. Your browser traffic is now protected through the VPN extension. And that's it. You've successfully added and set up a VPN extension in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.